Hello everyone. Today's topic is clinical research process. Clinical research process is a structure and approach to developing and evaluating new medical interventions, including drugs, devices, treatments, or procedures. It involves several phases and is regulated to ensure safety, efficacy, and ethical standards. Now let's see the key steps involved in the clinical research process. So first is the preclinical research. Uh, the objective of the preclinical research is to evaluate the safety and biological activity of new intervention in the laboratory and in animal models. The the activities includes laboratory experiments, that is in vitro studies, and animal studies, that is in vivo studies. Then toxicology and pharmacokinetic studies. These are included in the preclinical research. Then next is clinical trials. In this, human studies are conducted. Clinical trials are divided into four main phases. Phase 1, uh, safety and doses are included in it. Then 20 to 100 healthy volunteers or patients are included in phase 1. Objective is to assess safety, tolerability, and optimal doses. The focus is on identifying side effects and determining how the drug is metabolized and excreted. Then phase 2. Uh, in this, efficacy and side effects of the drug uh, are assessed. It includes 100 to 300 patients with targeted condition, and objective is to evaluate the interventions effectiveness and further assess safety. The focus is on refining doses and monitoring of short-term side effects. Then next is phase 3. In this, efficacy and monitoring of a drug can be done. The 1000 to 3000 patients are included in this phase. Objective is to confirm effectiveness, monitor adverse reaction, and compare with existing treatments. The focus is on providing the data for regulatory approval. The outcome of the this clinical trial is to submission of data to regulatory agencies, for example FDA and EMA, for approval. Then it comes phase 4, that is post market surveillance. Participants are a general population after approval. Objective are to monitor long term. The in post marketing surveillance, the objectives are to monitor the long term effectiveness and safety in broader population, uh, can be done. Then detecting rare or long term side effects can be done in pharmacovigilance. And the regulatory approval, uh, after submission of the clinical research process to the regulatory agencies, they the agencies review the data for safety, efficacy, and quality. Then if 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 it approved, then the interventions can be marketed and prescribed to the patients by physicians. Then the post marketing surveillance activities, it include that is pharmacovigilance. It includes the ongoing monitoring for adverse events and the phase 4 trials. Additionally, include these studies may be required to assess the long-term effects or a specific population. Uh, then the label updated, it is based on new findings. Labels may be updated. Then the next term included in the clinical research process is the ethical considerations. It includes the informed consent form, that is participant must be fully informed about the risk and benefits. Then the institutional review board, that is IRB, ensure studies are ethical and protect participants. Then good clinical practice, that is GCP guidelines to ensure the quality and integrity of the data.